What is machine learning? Machine learning is the subfield of artificial intelligence. Its goal is to teach a computer how to perform a task without writing if and else statement. If you are not a programmer, think of it like a person has joined Tesla and he is a software engineer. He is programming Tesla's self-driving car. He is defining rules by writing if and else statement like this. If the road is bad, the car will drive slow. If the road is good, the car will drive fast. And if a car is front of this car very close, the car will brake and also horn. And he have to write so many rules, and this is a bad idea. At the same time, machine learning engineer joins Tesla. He will feed the data into machine learning algorithms, and gradually over time with experience the car will run these rules by itself and develop intelligence over time, similar to how human beings learn or any other living things learn on earth. There are four types of machine learning algorithms: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, semi-supervised learning, and reinforcement learning. If you want more exclusive videos, you should click on the top link in the description. That will take you to my school community that is created for people who love AI, machine learning, and robotics. By joining, you will get exclusive videos there, and you can also request the videos you want. By doing so, you will be supporting this channel and also creating a community of people who love these things.